In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up products and services in Xero. This is a crucial task for managing your business's financial details effectively, and we're going to walk through it together step by step. When you log in, you'll land on your dashboard, which I like to think of as your control center for all things Xero. It's a well-organized hub where you can easily navigate different functions of the software. From here, you'll want to head to the top menu and click on the section labeled Business. This is essentially your gateway to various management tools within Xero. Once there, look for the option called Products and Services in the drop-down menu. This section is specifically tailored for keeping track of all the items and services your business offers. Now, to add a new item, simply click on New Item, and this will open up the item setup page for you. The first thing you need to do is enter an item code. Think of this as a unique identifier for each product or service you offer. It's like giving each item its own ID to help manage your inventory and prevent any mix-ups. After that, enter the name of your product or service. Being specific is key here. It helps in ensuring clarity and efficient management of your offerings. If your business requires inventory tracking, make sure to check the box labeled Track Inventory Item. This is particularly crucial if you need to monitor stock levels closely. After setting this up, indicate whether the item will be used for purchase or sales transactions. This helps Xero categorize and manage your transactions more accurately, depending on how you plan to use the item. Next, enter a default price for the item. This price will automatically appear during sales or purchase transactions, which can save you time and reduce the chance of errors. Following this, you'll select a default Chart of Accounts code. This links the item to specific accounts in your financial statements, helping you keep your books organized. You'll also want to add a description at this stage. This text will appear on invoices and transaction summaries, so make it descriptive enough to ensure clarity for your clients. After that, choose the default tax rate that will apply when you sell the item. This is a vital step to ensure compliance with tax regulations and to smoothen the checkout process for your customers. Finally, once everything looks good and you've double-checked your entries, you have a few options to save your work. You can simply click Save to finalize your setup. Save and add another if you're ready to set up more items immediately, or Save and duplicate to create a similar item with slight variations. By following these steps, you've successfully set up products and services in Xero. You're now ready to manage your inventory and transactions with greater ease and efficiency. Thanks for joining, and happy bookkeeping.